Kanathan Tamil Movie Summary. Gautam Ramalingam is an intelligent TV journalist who works in a small channel. For generations, his family has had close links with the media. His father, Ramalingam, is a news presenter in Doordarshan. His grandfather was a newsreader in All India Radio. Despite being an academically brilliant engineering graduate, Gautam prefers working as a TV journalist and yearns to join the BBC. One day, while reporting for his channel, he stumbles across Anu and falls for her. Anu turns out to be his colleague in the same TV channel he works at and reciprocates his attempts. Gautam receives an offer letter from BBC and, despite initially struggling, performs well in the interview and gets selected. His friends, including Anu, congratulate him at the TV channel office. While all goes well, Gautam suddenly gets arrested on charges of cheating banks to the tune of several lakhs of rupees by producing fake documents and degree certificates. Gautam's degree certificates and those of the other affected students were invalidated. While he is being taken to prison, a fellow graduate seated beside him commits suicide by falling off the police van and getting run over by a truck. Gautam realizes that he, along with the other graduates, has been made a pawn in a massive scam. His neighbor, who works in the police department, and his friend Balaji, a lawyer, Senthil, his friend and colleague, and Anu manage to get him out of prison. Gautam's job at BBC gets rejected because his certificate is labelled forged. Gautam then decides to infiltrate and expose the fake certificate scam with the help of his neighbours, Balaji, Senthil, and Anu. Gautam recalls the scene at the police station about the fake documents used to obtain loans from the banks. They carried the same photograph as the one present in his degree certificate. He deduces that he had used the certificate in a consultancy firm in Anna Nagar. When he, his neighbor, Senthil, and Balaji reach the place to find it locked, they break the lock and get inside. They search for the fake degree certificate in his name and find out that all the fake degree certificates in the blueprints of Anna University, University of Madras, Madras Christian College, and several other major universities are hidden in the ceiling. Gautam and his team confiscated the fake certificates. They conveyed a message to different TV channels, including his channel, to list the names of the fake degree certificate holders on air. The consultancy firms are closed, and it worries Thura Sarkar, the kingpin in the phony certificate scam, and his sons. While airing the news, he intentionally puts Balaji's name on the certificates in order to arrest Thura, knowing that his name is not on the list. Gautam's plan works, and he manages to save Balaji just in time. He fights and kills all of them, including Thura's son. He even hid the camera in the crime spot, knowing Thura would come there to find other evidence. However, Thura finds the hidden camera and almost executes Gautam, but with the help of Gautam's neighbor, they successfully escape. Gautam infiltrates and records the scammers on his mobile phone while posing as an applicant for a fake certificate. On the other side, Thura starts looking for people responsible for spreading the news and manages to track the right guy. This news is spread further, and Thura's plans are thwarted. He reaches Gautam's office and holds Senthil and the others hostage. Gautam calls him on his phone and saves Senthil by revealing his whereabouts. Anu gets kidnapped by Thura's son and his gang when Gautam overpowers and kills Thura's second son. Thura then decides to seek revenge by brutally murdering Balaji and Gautam's neighbor. Gautam becomes enraged and decides to end this once and for all. He sends one of his colleagues in the guise of a fake certificate applicant to Thura's place while recording the events via microcamera-enabled spectacles. Gautam and Senthil then broadcast the entire video on air. Thura reaches the channel office, fights Gautam, and destroys the transmission terminal. However, the transmission gets re-enabled, and the video goes on air. Gautam lands a kick at Thura, causing him to hit his head on screws in the destroyed terminal and fall unconscious. The scam is finally exposed. Gautam is lauded for his efforts and reunites with Anu and others. Meanwhile, Thura is in a vegetative state and is placed under tight police security in due apprehension for his crimes once he is cured. The lead doctor advises his assistant to monitor Thura's state. The assistant doctor turns out to be a fake. He unknowingly injects the wrong medicine into Thura's glucose stream, and his pulse begins to deteriorate. The lead doctor scolds the assistant by asking whether he became a doctor by submitting a fake certificate. At the same time, Thura dies, which shows the irony of how a phony certificate holder that he helped became the death of him.